Brendan Stamps here with One3 Powerboats. Got a request from a client that has one of the 17 tiller skiffs. We just found out about this new product from DuraBrite. It's more of a spotlight than a floodlight, and yes, there's a difference. I spoke with my good friend Mark up at Seavey Engineering in Maine, a talented fabricator and welder that gave me the blessing that this would be just suited for what we needed. And of course, the size of it made it where we could integrate it into the boat without destroying the aesthetic. So it really didn't want anything on the foredeck that was going to impede visibility from the tiller. And of course, classic lines of the boat would have been taken away from. So ended up using some 3/8 50/86 plate, created a little splash lip underneath it, and gave it a little 3-degree kick downhill, so when it gets up on plane, we're still shining where we want it. There's definitely some room for adjustment if we decide we need to tweak it, and we'll bed this thing in with some sealant, and has opened back to this pocket that I created to allow the heat to disperse and keep operating temperatures of the light fixture right where we need them. Thank you again, Mark and DuraBrite. Can't wait to see this thing in action. Once we get her wired up, we'll post some more videos so you can see what we've got for lumens here. It's exciting. I'm sure it's going to be a big update to this boat, and many happy nights fishing for the captain.